Who's a baby? Hi. What are you doing? Reaching for the camera.
She's like, what would happen if I
What's
do
that?
this?
What's that? She got all mild now that the camera's in front of her.
Of course. Alanis.
What's Daddy doing?
Alanis.
Achoo.
Ooh!
She looks like she wants to sneeze again. Her face is getting all red. Where's the rest of the rings, Mama? There's
There's
one.
one over there and two over there.
Oh, you've only got two. There you go. 2 donuts.
Hi. Oh, Alanis, you getting sleepy? Bite. She's getting sleepy.
Her hair is looking more red.
It's getting too long now already, too.
I think we might have a red-headed child.
No.
That'd be funny.
It might start out red, too. And just change to a different color later. She's really reaching for that thing.
She's like, what else you got for me?
Uh-huh.
Mama. Hi. Hi. Oh, not that. Hey, Sleepy. She wants to do this to it.
Uh-huh.
She loves doing that to everything. Yeah.
There it is. The tongue is always out.
She's tasting the air like a snake. Tip, tip.
Wait until your friend gets here Saturday.
Mhm.
Record a video of both of you.
Yep. She's got all those toys over there. Bunch of this stuff in those bags. And my books for school. Mama. Mama. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you playing? Yeah. Is that what you're doing? What are you going to do with those rings, huh? What are you going to do?
Try and keep hold of it.
Here, whoops. Oh yeah, you can see yourself. Whoops, maybe I can't see. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that the baby? Ah! Is that the baby?
It's bedtime.
You're getting sleepy. You're getting sleepy. Ay. Say bye, Cameron. Okay, it's bedtime.